Alright, hey, what's up guys? Just a little test for this recording software I have. Like, I actually can record videos now that actually look good finally. So I'm just gonna be unboxing some random shit I have in my inventory and just test it out. And see if rendering the video is any good. Because it has 60 frames per second and all that. Alright, revolver. Ooh, well worn. Holy shit. Alright. Next case. I didn't even have to test it like this either. I could have done it way better. This is shit. Factory new though. Never mind. Alright. I'll have to sell some shit if I want to open more. Last case, make it good, make it count. And of course, shit on. $2.10 left. Alright, so with the remaining $2.10 and like selling some of the skins I got, I'm able to do a shitty little trade up contract, so we're gonna do that right now. I don't really care what I get, this is all just for testing, and I thought I'd do something fun. Yeah, even though I don't sound excited at all. But alright, to make it hyped up, I'm gonna close my eyes and I'm gonna see what I get. I'm gonna guess an M4 check engine, or oh I got an MP7, or yeah, wait, what is this? Alright, how much does this cost? Hey, that's pretty good, dude. Holy shit. Alright, yeah. Well, actually, no, I don't want to use that. Fuck that. Yeah, fuck no. But yeah, that was me wasting money. So yeah, I'll see you guys later.